Here's how to make Zobo or Sobolo drink, which is a refreshing red drink made from dried hibiscus leaves and is very popular throughout Africa and the Caribbean, and you'll hear it under various names. You might know it, very popular in the Caribbean, sorrel drink, and it's also called bissap in some countries like Senegal and Ivory Coast. Prepared very similarly from country to country, but there are some differentiations. So here's how to make this version of Zobo/Sobolo. So first of all, I'm starting off with 1 pineapple, and you can see that I've sliced off the skin and I've also chopped the inside. Then I'm going to chop some lemon. I'm also going to chop 1 large orange. I've got about ½ an inch of ginger and I'm just peeling it. So here I've got my dried hibiscus leaves and I'm just cleaning it in some water. So now it's time to start to get all of those tastes mixing together. So I've got my pineapple skin, I've got my lemon, I've got my orange, and then you want to add some water until this mixture is covered. Mix it all up a bit, and you want to let this simmer on a medium temperature for about 20 minutes. Don't forget to also add about ½ a tablespoon of cloves. Separately, I am going to grind down those pineapple insides and also that ginger that I peeled earlier. You want to grind it down until it's nice and smooth. So I've gone back to my mix that has been simmering and I've poured in my pineapple and ginger mix, and I'm just going to mix this all together. And then you want to let it continue simmering on a medium temperature for a final 15 minutes. At this point, you can also add some sugar. It is optional, but it's obviously going to bring a really nice sweetness. So here is the purely natural and fresh version, but I like a bit of sweetness, so feel free to add some sugar or some sweetener or some honey to yours. So here I've actually just got a sieve, and I'm starting off by sieving the whole mixture, and then I'm going to get a strainer and I'm going to strain it into my pitcher. So make sure that when you strain it, you get all of those juices out, and it's just going to get you a nice smooth mixture. You don't want to be drinking some thick stuff. We want it nice and smooth. Serve it with some ice, garnish it with some lemon or lime. Feel free to drop some extra lemon, lime, oranges in there as well. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.